Ever notice how some teams just click, working together seamlessly while others struggle to stay aligned? Often the difference is the shared purpose. Without a clear guiding principle, it's easy for teams to feel lost or unmotivated. Hi, I'm Andrew Lamb. Today we're talking about how having a North Star can transform your company's culture. A North Star isn't just about long-term strategy. It's about creating a sense of unity and purpose across your team. Let's explore how you can use the North Star to build stronger, more productive teams. First, use your North Star to align team building exercises with your company's core mission. Team building is more than just a fun day. It's an opportunity to reconnect with the bigger picture and remind everyone why they're here. When your team understands why behind their work, their connection to the company strengthens. Aligning team building with your North Star helps reinforce that shared purpose. Next, use the North Star to align individual roles with company goals. Each person needs to know how their work directly supports the larger mission. That's where true engagement happens. When employees see how their contributions move the needle, they feel more invested in the company's success, and that investment shows in their productivity. Finally, keep your North Star visible. Regularly communicate it and reinforce motivation and culture. Teams thrive when they're consistently reminded of their purpose they're working towards. Don't let your North Star be a one-time message. Make it part of your daily conversations, team meetings, and performance reviews. It keeps your team aligned, motivated, and focused on the bigger picture. When your team is united around a common purpose, productivity follows. Your North Star helps everyone see the bigger picture and feel motivated to contribute to it. So how are you using your North Star? Make it a daily part of your culture and watch your team grow stronger and more connected. Purpose-driven teams are the key to long-term success.